Derivatives. We will write some derivatives of the basic functions which helps us to do the problems. Okay, derivative of ddx of constant is 0, 0, where c is equal to constant. Okay, ddx of x raised to the power n is 1, this will be here x raised to the power n minus 1, x raised to the power n minus 1, then it will be ddx of e raised to the power x will be e, that is e raised to the power x, no change. ddx of a raised to the power x is 1 by a log a raised to the power x, 1 by a log a. ddx of log x is 1 by x. ddx of log base ax, that is your, this is you find out from anywhere. Then ddx of sin x is cos x. ddx of cos x is equal to, since it is o, co, then it will be negative minus sin x. Change, it will be changed, but minus. Now, ddx of tan x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. ddx of cot x is my o, co, then it is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. ddx of sec x is equal to sec x tan x. ddx of cosec x, that is equal to minus cosec x cot x. Why I put the minus sign? It is co, cosec x cot x. ddx of sine inverse x, it is an inverse function. Sine inverse x is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. ddx of cos inverse x, since it is co, then it will be negative, that is equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. ddx of tan inverse x, that is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. ddx of cot inverse x will be equal to minus, it is co 1 by 1 plus x square. So these are the basic derivative of basic functions we will be using when we do the sums. Okay, now I'll explain you product of two functions, how to find out the derivative. Now there are three sums given to you, and I'll be doing one by one to you, and just you try to understand. Now here y is equal to 1 is equal to log 3x. Log 3x, I can write log of m into n is equal to log m plus log n, implies y is equal to log 3 plus log x. Therefore, dy dx is equal to ddx of log 3 plus ddx of log x. Now, this is constant, so obviously it will be 0. 3 is a constant, then it is 0. Okay, and then the log x we have done in the previous this thing, so it will be 0 plus of 1 by x, that is equal to 1 by x is the answer. Okay, then question 2, find, that is y is equal to 2 cos inverse x plus 1 by x square. Therefore, dy dx, I just told you the answer of it. 2 will remain as it is because this is the constant. Minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Why? Because cos inverse CO. Cos inverse is CO. Okay. Plus, this is ddx of 1 by x square, that is that x raised to the power minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus minus 2 into x raised to the power minus 3, 1 power less. Question 3 says, that is dy, find dy dx, y is equal to sin x cos x sin x cos x tan x, sorry, sin x tan x plus log x. Therefore, dy dx is equal to ddx of sin x plus ddx of, we will separate, tan x plus ddx of log x, that is equal to sin, it will be cos x plus tan x is sec square x and log x is 1 by x. So this is very simple. So you will have to just find out the basic derivatives of the function and you will write directly. Now I will next episode I will be doing the product of the two functions. Okay, derivative or product of the two functions. The product rule of derivatives. When I ask you to find out the derivative of two functions, that is ddx of fx is a function and gx is a function. So then what will you do? You will just find out the derivative of the function and keep the second function as it is, plus keep the first function as it is and find out the derivative. Since it can be continued like 3 functions, 4 functions, okay. So this is the rule, and this is a very easy rule. Now come, this is question number 1, they have given us. Question number 1, answer 1 क्या है? Answer 1, ddx of x cube and cos x. Two functions, one is x cube, another is cos x. So first I will find out ddx of x cube, then cos x. We will multiply with that. Then plus x cube into d dx of cos x. That is equal to d dx of x cube will be 3x square. 3x square, that is x raised to the power n. We will write 3x square cos x, plus we will leave x cube as it is, and we will be writing cos x. Cos raised to the cos x is minus sin x, So this minus sign, this function starts with CO, the minus sign will come here, then it will be 3x square cos x minus x cube sin x. Okay, then if you want to make it simplify, then x square common, that is 3 cos x minus x sin x. Okay. Then question number 2 says that find sin inverse x cos x, and question number 2 say, that is answer 2. It is not question, it is answer 2. That is d dx of sin inverse x, x cos x and 1 by x. These are the three functions. So what will you do? You will write down d dx of sin inverse x. This is, we will do it first. Then cos x 1 by x, I will leave it like that. 1 by x plus, all plus, that is dd, first function already we have done. So it will be sin inverse x minus into d dx of cos x into 1 by x plus, I have done these two functions. Then the third function is cos a, that is d dx of sin inverse, d dx of, no, not this. This is, we will be doing, that is cos x, sin inverse x, cos x into d dx of 1 by x. 1 by x. Okay, d dx of 1 by x. So I have done, that is three functions. First function, keep these two functions constant. Then first function constant, second function I'll find out the derivative. Third is constant. And third is that, then three functions are there. That is sin inverse, this is sin inverse x and cos x, and the last one. So it will be, that is 1 by root over 1 minus x square cos x as it is, 1 by x as it is, plus sin inverse x as it is, cos x is minus sin x, and 1 by x as it is, plus sin inverse x as it is, cos x as it is, and 1 by x will be x raised to the minus 1, that is minus 1 by x square Okay, so minus 1 by x square. So I can take 1 by x common to from every functions here. So 1 by x, this will be cos x divided by root over 1 minus x square. Okay, plus sin inverse x sin x, this is minus sin inverse x sin x divided and sin x, I have taken everything common here, and plus here, that is sin inverse x cos x minus, this becomes minus here, this is minus 1 by x, 1 by x. This is the final answer. Okay. क्या हुआ?